Hello! So today we are going to cook with Timur. He's Arabic.
Yeah, I'm from Jordan.
From Jordan. So he's gonna make the traditional real kafta.
Kafta. Kafta in Jordan.
Okay, in Jordan's kafta. Anyway, so we're gonna teach you guys the real kafta. It's delicious. Like I already had here the same, and oh my god, I was craving for that again. So we're gonna Timur is gonna teach you guys.
Yes. So we have 1 kilo of meat.
1 kilo of the cow ground beef.
Yeah.
So Timur said that the perfect one is like with the 25 to 35%
of fat.
Percent of fat.
Yes.
Okay, so it's here.
Now we have meat. We have 2 like this onions with the
So 2 medium onions.
Yeah,
and
with the
parsley.
parsley.
Okay.
This one. This.
Only parsley and onion, right?
Onion, yeah.
Okay. It's like a paste.
Yeah. We need to do this. Because it's not taking all the onion down. So I'm doing it. I'll go down. Like this. Smell?
Oh my god, smell good.
Yeah.
And burning my eyes.
This smell you have to feel in your house when you make it. This means you get everything good. This is ready. Now, what we have to do is see, it's like
This is enough for 1 kilo of ground
meat.
beef.
Yeah. You put it like this. Okay, now salt is like you like. I don't know.
Yeah, like you put the
I
salt.
put a little
like
bit so we can
taste it.
Yeah, so we can salt after. Maybe.
So he put like 1 teaspoon, right?
half.
Half a
Half,
teaspoon.
yeah.
Okay.
Then this is Arabic mix.
So
What
this guy, this is the secret. So this, I don't know if you have like an Arabic market. It's like mixed
Masala.
masala.
Any mixed masala.
Any mixed masala. I'm gonna tell you guys everything that, but it's that
You can put here
turmeric, black pepper. It's a
Yeah.
lot of things. So let me show you. Here. So this
black cardamom, black pepper, green cardamom,
cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, fennel, ginger.
Yeah, the most you need is coriander, cardamom, black pepper, and cinnamon.
This is the most
It's the most.
important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other you can delete
Okay.
because
So,
it's a little bit of other. inside.
okay. So if you have the Arabic seasoning, this it's perfect. But if you don't have it, the most important is this third line: coriander, cumin, cinnamon, and what you said, Timur? What's the most important?
And wait, black pepper,
Okay.
cardamom, cinnamon, and coriander.
Okay. This is the most
This is the
important.
most.
If you don't have the seasoning, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we take one like full.
You had to
Like
put
this.
some, right?
Yes, I put this mix. It's already have here, but I put
Okay.
a little bit more.
Okay. So it's gonna be one.
You
teaspoon.
can if without this, it will be also good. But
This
if you
is
found
the
this,
secret.
yeah, if you found this will be the best.
Okay.
Now, we take and mix.
With your hands.
No, I just washed them.
No, I
just
know,
washed
I know.
them, yes. Okay.
Man, this smell, if you guys,
Smell?
it's
Good.
amazing. Yeah, you need to find the seasonings. Yeah.
You don't smell any meat. You smell only food.
Yeah.
Okay. What we need here? What? Because I have littles, so use two.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Any oil.
Yeah, oil.
Just
Olive oil, it
no,
works?
no,
No?
not olive oil.
Okay.
Olive oil I have, but
Okay. Oil.
this to make like
Sloganese.
how to say it, so they are not stuck.
Good stuck. Yeah. Okay.
Let's see here. Now we bring meat like this. This. So, because I need it in two places. And make a pie.
You can put that in the stickers, right? And because I already ate kafta in the in the stickers,
Which one?
like a piece of wood, and they put around the sticker, and I ate kafta like this.
Oh. This is why I'm telling you that there is a lot of kafta. There is a lot of way to make kafta. There is Jordanian, there is Turkish kafta,
Okay.
Syrian kafta, Palestinian kafta. A lot.
This is the Jordanian.
This is the Jordan. We can say it like it's Jordanian, but all the people they do it the same way.
Okay.
You know? Just the way we will put in oven will be different a little bit. The way we put other ingredients will be a little bit different. You can do you remember when I made white one
Yeah.
with the syrup? How do you call it?
It's not too thick.
No,
It's like one
how-
finger,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's like this.
Like this. Like this.
Like this.
Yeah. Don't make it too thick because it's not gonna be ready like by
Okay.
the meat has to be ready in all places the same. Now
Tomatoes. So if you wanna make spicy, you just put in the seasonings, right? With the onion
Yeah.
and the parsley, you put some pepper there,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
We'll put the slice
We
here.
decided to not make too spicy, guys, because of the babies. Yeah, Luna and Tamara, Timur's daughter, they ate like 3 slices of the tomato. That's why it's So that's green pepper.
That's like optionally. Who loves to give a little bit like taste to the meat?
Can you put cheese?
No.
No?
Without cheese, yeah. Cheese it will be something else, something Italian. I love Italia very much. Okay, something like this you can put a little bit more. Now
On the top.
we're doing this
Okay.
on fast hand.
Okay.
If you do it slower, it will be a little bit.
Okay.
No.
It's ready.
Okay, just now what we have to do.
So if you want, guys, you can put another layer on the top. But
So we added a little bit of tomato. So we put like this.
hey, so it was like 3 tomatoes, just enough to cover this Tamara. Yummy, yummy. Tama.
Okay, a little bit of water.
Water.
Yes.
Okay.
A little bit. So we steam it.
Oh, okay. That's why it's not dry.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So the
You're
water. Ah. And then you cover with the aluminum.
I put it in two because the oven is small and it's so hot.
Okay. I couldn't imagine about the water. No, about the water. I couldn't imagine.
Before oven, you will see what I got.
So it's already preheated. The oven was on.
The oven is on, but for oven, you need to put it up.
Oh.
On slow, not medium.
Okay.
Now I put medium just to heat it up because we don't have gas here.
Okay.
We have this. So I put this here, then between 2 and 3, right? If
Like
6
not
is the
too high.
maximum,
Okay.
not 3, 2.
Okay.
Like
So this is the second secret. Put on
the same here. I put 3.
Gonna put in the oven.
There's 2.
It's like medium. It's not too
Put
high.
it on 2, yeah.
Okay.
For 20 minutes.
Oh,
Don't
20
open up.
minutes?
20 minutes.
Wow.
Don't open it up. It have to be closed. Then we're gonna move it down
Oh, okay.
closed.
So don't take the aluminum out, and it's gonna be there for 20 minutes.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Just put
Okay.
it on 20 minutes. We have water here.
It
We
can
have-
be this with the glass, or
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, if
Okay.
it's able to take
Okay.
Yes.
So 20 minutes
Yeah.
was here. So Timur's gonna put down
We put it on the 180.
180. And then it's gonna be there for what?
Okay. 55 minutes.
55?
Yes. Why 55?
Why?
Because after the last 15 minutes, we will open it and look for the box.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, and
So
it will be
55 like this, closed.
Yes.
Okay, with the aluminum. Okay.
Now, with the aluminum, no, it will be closed for 40 minutes.
Oh, okay. So 40 minutes,
40 minutes
now.
under 180 or maybe 200
Okay.
degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Because
Celsius. Yeah. Okay.
it's, Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So, after that, we'll open them.
For 15 minutes.
Yes,
Okay.
and put them for 15 minutes only. And everything's ready.
Okay. And Nadia,
This is making salad.
she's making a salad with cucumbers and what's that? I don't know.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Something with
Oh, parsley.
yeah. Lemon with the onion, the green onion.
Green onion. Okay. Okay.
I will put garlic.
Oh, and garlic.
How the garlic is
So Timur's gonna show the garlic here.
organic garlic, like this.
Whoa.
It's fresh, smells good.
So you already put the garlic?
No,
No?
she will put.
Oh.
She will put like this.
Oh, okay. It's gonna smash the garlic. So you're waiting. Kafta. Yeah. Where is Luna? Luna. Look what they did. Show. Look at this. Luna, what are you doing in the other people's house, baby? Oh my God, it's like a tsunami here. Luna, faz assim, ó. She's so happy that she has a friend. Where is Tamara, Luna? Ah! Peekaboo! Ah! Peekaboo! 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 So cute! You a messy girl! Yeah! Okay, so it's 40 minutes there already. So, okay, it's gonna open and take the aluminum off.
Because it's the fat of 37%. This is why I'm calling like fat 25%.
Oh,
So it's gonna be like this.
got it.
Meat.
So the fat went out. So this is all fat, right?
Yes. Was.
Okay. Yeah.
Now we put that. Take this little one, the same.
And the meat's really
40% again.
wow.
Off. And for 20 minutes.
So 20 more minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's ready.
Olha ali, Luna. Look. So it's ready.
The water a little bit low up because
Wow, Luna. So the water dried out. And
just because of
we left there a little longer. Yeah. So look.
without the oven on. It was off.
Okay. So it was 40 minutes. Then he took the aluminum off, and then 15 more minutes. 15 to 20. Yeah. Okay.
As you like. Some people like it more burnt.
Luna is gonna try. Oh my God. Okay. Let's try.
No,
another
but
one.
she has.
Oh, she ate it. That's okay. Man, it's amazing, guys. You have no idea about the taste.
Yes.
My God.
People eat like this bread.
Oh,
This kind of bread.
it's
In
an
Russia,
Arabic
very hard to
bread?
find.
Arabic bread.
Arab people made the same. Here in Russia, they call it Armenian bread.
Oh, okay.
How we eat it? We take bread like this.
Oh, you get a piece of. Good. Okay, approved.
And I made it. Oh.
Congratulations.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.